Hey guys, this is day 16, dose 32, um, and I can tell I'm getting a lot smaller. So I may only have to do this thing for the second phase or third phase, which is for another 15 days. So I may just be having to do 30 days. We don't even have to do 45. So um, and if I'm pretty sure I won't have to do the whole 45 anyway, because once I get to 180, I'm going to stop regardless. I don't want to be smaller than that. Anyway, I'm going to take this dose. I'm getting ready to go to work, and I know these videos don't have a whole lot of information, but there's not much. I'm basically just documenting the shrinkage and doing it daily, twice a day. You can actually follow, the weight loss in the chin and face and stomach and the whole thing. So it's mainly why I'm doing the daily thing, so you can really see daily. If I just went from one to the other, it'd be a super extreme. But if you see it daily, which is what I did with when I first started the diet and saw that person do the diet, it just convinced me. Because you don't know, if I did one video, then just did another video, say, okay, I'm done with the diet and I lost all this weight. It could be a year later. It could be I could have went to the gym 15 times a day. I could have not eaten anything. I could have got gastric bypass surgery. So this way, it's a daily thing. It's really the reason I'm doing the daily updates. But anyway, I'm going to take this, get ready to go to work, and then do another video in the morning. And so this is dose 32. All right. There we go. Very simple. Hey guys. See you tomorrow.